Welcome to Shenyang Libida Steel Group. We are a leading manufacturer specializing in steel structure building industry, dedicated to delivering high-quality steel structure products to global clients. Our 20,000 square meter plant is equipped with the advanced automation and the technology. Let me show you around. Flame cutting machine is the traditional tool used for cutting metal plate in straight line. The machine can cut 10 steel strips at once. CNC cutting machine precisely executes the CAD design, cutting hole with the guaranteed accuracy.